If you're trying to change the date or time on Windows 11 but getting the message, "You do not have permission to perform this task," please contact your computer administrator for help. Don't worry. In most cases, this happens because Windows is restricting the time settings for your account. First, let's try the easiest fix. Right-click the Start button and select Terminal as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now type this command and press Enter. Net user administrator/active/yes. This enables the built-in administrator account. Now restart your computer and sign in to the administrator account. Once you're logged in, go to Settings, then Time and Language, and select Date and Time. Turn off Set Time Automatically and try changing the date and time manually. If that works, the problem is most likely related to permissions on your regular Windows account. After fixing the time, I recommend disabling the built-in administrator account again. Open Terminal as Administrator and enter Net User Administrator/active/no. If you're using a work or school computer, there's another possibility. Your organization may have a policy that prevents you from changing the system time. In that situation, you'll need to contact the administrator rather than trying to bypass the restriction. Personally, I'd start with the normal Windows settings first, and only use the administrator method if you actually need it. Also, avoid changing system permissions randomly because that can create bigger problems later. And that's how you can fix the "You do not have permission to perform this task" error when you can't change the time on Windows 11.